In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Commander in Insurgency Sandstorm. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some basic instructions that you should follow if you would like to play Commander in Insurgency Sandstorm. So, the Commander is going to be a class available in Insurgency Sandstorm. It has assault rifles and battle rifles as their primary weapon, and they have access to fire support binoculars. They can be called in with a variety of support utilities from armed helicopters to artillery strikes, and it has to remain within 10 meters of an observer to initiate the call for fire support. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what you should do, and I'm going to give you basic instructions. Like I said, this is going to be a very newcomer-oriented tutorial. So first, stick with your observer. Experiment with the different support functions. Know what to use and when. So for example, don't use artillery when the enemy is completed occupying a building. You have to communicate with your team. You should let them know when you are going to advance and so on. And you can actually try playing out a little bit of observer if you would like to understand how the other role functions as well. Never go directly to the front line if you want to call in support. This will get you and your observer killed, so stay behind or flank and always look for a good angle. You have to be aware of all of the objectives. Be aware of timing, location of call-ins, a little bit of luck with strategy, and you will be able to attack properly. So, your role as a commander isn't to get kills via call-ins and so on. If you make your call-ins with kills and only kills in mind, you will be just as likely to be counterproductive. So, the importance is for you to push the battle forward and always move in with your observer in order to prepare the attacks and use the support artillery. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Commander in Insurgency Sandstorm. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.